Problem number 10. The length of the rectangular field is 53 meter and breadth is 28 meter. What will be the cost of putting a grass bed across the whole field? Per square meter we have to give the rupees of 27. See, across the whole field means entire field we have to put a grass bed. Okay, a grass bed we have to put the entire field. So the entire field means the area of the field we have to consider. So area is length into breadth. So which is equal to 53 into 28. Okay, so this is the total area. So 8 3s are 24. Okay, 2 carry over, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Next, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So altogether you are going to get 8 4 1. So 1484. So total area is 1484 square meters. 1484 square meters. Okay, so this is the total area. But per square meter we have to give the rupees of 27. Therefore, for 1484 square meters it will be 1484 into 27 into 27. So which is equal to 7 4s are 28, 2 carry over, 7 8s are 56 plus 2 58. Again 5 carry over, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5 33, 3 carry over, 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Next, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 1s are 2. So how much you are going to get? 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry over 10, 1 carry over 10 plus 1. So 40,068 rupees. So 40,068 rupees. So your answer is none of these. Okay, so very simple thing, total area we shall calculate. So per square meter area it is 27 rupees. Then for total area how much it will be? So 1484 is the total square meters into 27 if we do, we are going to get 40,068. That is the answer. So here answer is none of these. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem, problem number 11. Problem number 11. The length and breadth of the rectangular plot are in the ratio 5:3. The owner spends rupees 3000 for surrounding it from all the sides at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter. What is the difference between the length and breadth of the plot? Okay, see here, surrounding it from all the sides means it is nothing but the perimeter. It is nothing but the perimeter. So therefore, see here, length, consider the length as 5x, then breadth will be equal to 3x. So perimeter is equal to 2 of length plus breadth, that is 5x plus 3x. So that is 2 into 8x, which is equal to 16x. So this is the perimeter, and they are telling that the owner spends rupees 3000 for surrounding it from all the sides at the rate of 7.5 per meter. Okay, so see here, total amount is 3000. Total amount is 3000. Per meter you have to spend 7.5. So if you divide 3000 by 7.5, you are going to get the total length, that is the total length of the boundary. So see here, one more 0, 25, 3s are 75, next 25 4s are 100, 8s are 200, next 12s are 300, 1200, so which is equal to 1200 divided by 3, so which is equal to 400, Therefore 16x is equal to 400, therefore x is equal to 400 by 16, which is equal to 100 by 4, which is equal to 25. Now what is the difference between the length and breadth? So difference between the length and breadth means 5x minus 3x. So 5x is the length, 3x is the breadth. So 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, which is equal to 2 into 25, which is equal to 50. So the difference between those two is 50 meters. So your answer is A. See here, they have given the ratio. The ratio is 5:3. So I have taken as 5x and 3x. So we have to surround it from all the sides. All the sides we have to surround means it is nothing but the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 of length plus breadth. So after simplification we got 16x. So for that surrounding they are spending 3000 rupees. Per meter they are spending 7.5. So then what is the total length? That is 3000 by 7.5, that is equal to 400 meters. So per meter 7.5, 400 meters 3000 rupees. So now we got 400 meters as the total length. So 16x is the total perimeter. So x is equal to 25. Now they are asking us to calculate the difference, that is 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 2 into 25. So therefore the difference is 15 meters. So these type of problems you can expect in clerical. If you are good in the concept, max to max 40 seconds to solve this problem, not more than that. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 12. Problem number 12. A copper wire is bent in the form of an equilateral triangle and has an area 121 root 3 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent into the form of a circle, the area enclosed by the wire is. See here, they have given the area, okay, the area of the equilateral triangle. So based on that we can calculate the side of a triangle. Okay, so based on this side we can calculate the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, so based on the perimeter the perimeter of a triangle is nothing but the circumference of the circle, because the entire wire what they have bent, okay, based on that wire they are forming the circle. Okay, see here, it is in the form of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, the same wire A, B, C, they are forming in this form. A, B, C contains a circle. Okay, whatever the perimeter you are going to get, the same thing is the circumference. So area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 121 root 3. Therefore root 3 get cancels. A square is equal to 121 into 4. Therefore a is equal to 11 into 2, which is equal to 22, because a is equal to root of 121 into 4, which is equal to 22. So a is 22. Then see here, this is 22. C is equal to 22, B is equal to 22. If you add all the three, 22 plus 22 plus 22, which is equal to 66, this will be the circumference. Therefore, circumference is 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is equal to, see here, the perimeter of the equilateral triangle will be equal to the circumference of the circle, because the same perimeter they have converted into the circumference of the circle, which is equal to 66. So 22 3 times, so radius is equal to 21 by 2. So now we have to calculate the area of the circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So 7 3s are 21, 2 11s are next. See here, 11 into 21 into 3 divided by 2. So which is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 63 into 11, 63 into 11 by 2. So 11 threes are 33, 3 carry over, 11 6 are 66, 66 plus 3 69 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 346.5. The answer is 346.5. Option C is your right answer. Only the thing is, you have to remember, based on the perimeter we can calculate the circumference of the circle. See here, the perimeter is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the circle, based on that we can calculate the radius. With the help of the radius we can calculate the area of the square. Okay, so here they have given the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so based on that we can calculate easily the area of the circle, that is 346.5. 346.5 square centimeters. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 13. Problem number 13. Problem number 13. The smallest side of a right angle triangle is 8 centimeter less than the side of the square of a perimeter, which is 56 centimeters. See here, they have given that the perimeter of a square, perimeter is 56. Perimeter is 56. Then what is the side? Side is equal to 56 by 4, which is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So side of a square is 14, 14, 14, 14. Next, the smallest side of right angle triangle, is 8 centimeter less. So 14 minus 8, which is equal to 6. So smallest side, consider this one as the smallest side. This is 6 centimeters. So next, the second largest side of the right angle triangle is 4 centimeter less than the length of the rectangle of area 96 square centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. See here, the second largest side is 4 centimeter less than the length of the rectangle whose area is 96. So length into breadth is equal to 96. So length we don't know, breadth they have given, that is 8 is equal to 96. So length is equal to 96 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay. So the second side is equal to 4 centimeter less. So 12 minus 4, that is 8. So here you got 8. So what we have to calculate? The largest side, that is hypotenuse. Okay, the largest side, that is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to square root of 36 plus 64. So hypotenuse is equal to root of 100. So which is equal to 10 centimeter. Option C is the right answer. So very simple, guys. Based on the square, we can calculate the smallest side of the right angle triangle. Based on the rectangle, we can calculate the second largest side of the right angle triangle. Based on those two data, we can calculate the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, what they have told? The perimeter is 56. So the smallest side of the right angle triangle is 8 centimeter less than the side of the square. But in the square they have given the perimeter. Based on the perimeter, we have calculated the length of the side of a square. Minus 8 if we do, we are going to get the smallest side, that is 6. Next, area of the rectangle they have given, breadth is given, we have to calculate the length, and 4 centimeter less than length of the rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is 12, 12 minus 4, that is 8. So the second largest side is 8. With the help of those two data, we have calculated the hypotenuse, that is 10 centimeters. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 14. Problem number 14. The length of the rectangular floor is twice its breadth. If rupees 256 is required to paint the floor at the rate of 2 per meter square, then what would be the length of the floor? See here, we have to paint the entire floor, that is the entire area. Total cost, that is 256. Per meter square, that is 2. So what is the area? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. So 128 meter square is the area. 128 meter square is the area. Now, length of the rectangle floor is twice its breadth. So length is to breadth. So if you take breadth as x, then length will be 2x because double. So now 2x into x, length into breadth is equal to 128. 2x into x is equal to 128. So 2x square is equal to 128. Therefore, x square is equal to 128 by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, x is equal to root of 64, which is equal to 8. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the length. Length is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 8, which is equal to 16. So option A is the right answer, 16 meters. Option A is the right answer, that is 16 meters. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, Problem number 15. Problem number 15. The area of a square is 1024 square centimeter. What is the ratio of the length to the breadth of the rectangle whose length is twice the side of the square and breadth is 12 centimeter less than the side of the same square? See here, area of the square, area is equal to a square, that is side square, which is 1024, therefore a is equal to root of 1024, so a is equal to 32. So side of the square is 32, see here the side of the square is 32, so 32, 32, 32 and 32. So now length is equal to twice the side of square, that is 2a, which is equal to 2 into 32. Okay, next breadth is equal to 12 centimeter less than the side of the square, so that is a minus 12, that is 32 minus 12, which is equal to 20, Now we have to calculate the ratio of length and breadth, that is L by B, which is equal to 2 into 32 divided by 20, which is equal to 2 1 times, 2 10 times, so 32 by 10. Next, 2 16s are 32, 2 5s are 10, so your answer is 16:5. Your answer is 16:5. So therefore, none of this is the right answer. See here, the side of a square is 32 we got, and here they are telling that length is twice the side of the square. So length is equal to 2a, 2 into 32, that is 64. Breadth is 12 centimeter less than the side. So a minus 12, 32 minus 12, that is 20. So ratio means length by breadth, that is equal to 2 into 32, that is the length, by breadth, that is 20. So 2 10s are 20, 32 by 10, which is equal to 16/5. Therefore answer is E, option E, none of these. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem 16. See here, till now we have solved the problems related to the area and perimeter. So now we are dealing with the volumes like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. So based on these problems now we are solving. One thing always we have to remember, so whatever the data they are going to give, we have to mark it down and we have to identify what we have to calculate. So to calculate those values, the given data, how it helps, we have to identify. So based on that we have to use the formula and we have to calculate. Okay, so now 16th one, the volume of cuboid, 12 meter long, 8 meter broad and 4 meter high. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So which is equal to 12 into 8 into 4. So 8 4s are 32, 32 into 12. So 12 2s are 24, 2 carry over, 12 3s are 36, 2, 38. So our answer is 384 meter cube. 384 meter cube, that is option B. So simple thing, you go with the formula, you substitute the values, you are going to get the answer. So problem number 16, 384 meter cube is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 17. Problem number 17, find the surface area of cuboid. So surface area is equal to, what is the surface area? 2 of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this is the formula what we used to calculate the surface area, that is 2 into. So length into breadth means 10 into 5 plus 5 into 3 plus 10 into 3. So which is equal to 2 into 10 into 5, 50 plus 15 plus 30. So which is equal to 2 into 50 plus 15, 65, 65 plus 30, 95. So 95 into 2, 190. So your answer is 190 square meters. 190 square meters. Option D is the right answer. Only the thing is, you have to go with the formula, write down the values according to the notation, you are going to get the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem 18. Find the length of the longest pole that can be put in a room 10 meter long, 9 meter broad and 7 meter high. See here in the introductory class itself I had told you the longest pole is nothing but the diagonal of the cuboid. Okay, see here the diagonal of the cuboid. So if this is a one point, then this will be the another point. So diagonal of the room or the diagonal of the cuboid will be the longest pole. Okay, 10 meter long, 9 meter broad, 7 meter height, all the values are different, then it will be a cuboid. Okay, so therefore the longest pole is nothing but the diagonal. So diagonal is equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. So which is equal to root of length square, that is 10 square plus 9 square plus 7 square. So which is equal to root of 100 plus 81 plus 49. So which is equal to, see here 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry over, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 100 plus 130 which is equal to root of 230 meters. Root of 230 meters. So this is the longest pole what we can place in a room. Okay, in a room. So your answer is 230 meters, root of 230 meters. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem, problem number 19. See here, the diagonal of a cube is 8 root 3. Find the edge of the cube. Find the edge of the cube. See here, diagonal means a root 3. Diagonal, the formula is a root 3. That is the formula used to calculate the diagonal in the cube. So a root 3 is equal to 8 root 3. So 8 cancel. So the edge is nothing but the side, that is 8 centimeter. Option A is your right answer. So A is equal to 8. Okay. So here the diagonal is nothing but a root 3. They have given the value, that is 8 root 3. A root 3 is equal to 8 root 3. Root 3 get cancels. Therefore the edge of the cube is nothing but the side, that is 8 centimeters. Okay. So let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 20. Problem number 20. The surface area of cube is 726 square centimeters. Find the volume of the cube. See here, volume means a cube. But do we know the value of A? No. But they have given the value of surface area. So surface area is nothing but 6a square. So this value they have given. So 6a square is equal to 726. Therefore a square is equal to 726 by 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. So a square is equal to 121. Therefore a is equal to 11. A is equal to 11. Now volume means volume is equal to a cube, that is equal to 11 into 11 into 11, that is 121 into 11, which is equal to 11 ones are 11. See here, 121 121 which is equal to 1331, which is equal to 1331 centimeter cube. So option A is your right answer. Option A is your right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 21.